It is our bespoke smartphone and an open-ear headset so you can hear the surrounding sound plus a personal guidance. We have a little secret that's hanging in the smartphone, and that is taking the record of your location where you showed interest in our pavilion, to the space area, to the ocean area. So everyone is different and they should have a different ideas, but what's important is that they meet together. Your smartphone is going to turn out into an avatar. We have more than 400,000 avatars that can be associated real time. You are ending in the Mother Earth with the ultrafine mist, that is the nano-E technology that's purifying actually the air, is now used to design the air as well. At the last scene, we want to convey that we are borderless. Osaka Kansai, Japan is already opening the doors now in Dubai. We are calling it a People's Living Lab. In Japan, 29.1% of our population is over 65. And if you can share your ideas, we have 4 years still to work together. We want to address on common global issues that we are facing day to day, welcoming all ideas to make the lives better.